New at 11, a Columbus area nonprofit is emphasizing its support for those they help who are experiencing mental illness. Community Housing Network has been serving the community for more than 35 years by helping people find affordable permanent housing, especially those experiencing homelessness. NBC4's Isabel Cleary spoke with one resident who shares her story of success.
Community Housing Network says more than 80% of their residents experience mental illness. Those numbers hit close to home for Carolyn Ford, a woman who was without a home for more than 2 years. Carolyn Ford was diagnosed with cancer and had to stop working.
I became homeless because I wasn't able to pay my rent. I went to the shelter.
There, she tried to figure out what came next.
I felt that nobody cared. I was lost.
She was on the wait list for a home through Community Housing Network, a place she could afford with access to support for her mental and physical health. Then she got the call.
I was happy, I was sad, I was grateful, I cried. I jumped up and down. I was saying thank you.
It's actually one of my favorite days of the year when we have move-in day, because the people we serve have really experienced so many really difficult situations. They're incredibly resilient.
Samantha Schuler is CHN's CEO. She says they put a strong emphasis on mental health support because so many people who are homeless need it.
If you really want to end the cycle of homelessness for folks, you really need to provide both affordable housing and access to voluntary services. Generally speaking, if somebody has a mental illness and not a good support system, their homelessness will be long-term unless you can get them some permanent supportive housing.
Recently released numbers show that homelessness is at an all-time high in Columbus and Franklin County. There are 60 residents living where Ford lives, and the community plans to add another 40 starting this summer. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Isabel Cleary, NBC4.